Get ready for a thrilling journey through Mexico's top 12 must-see destinations. From stunning beaches to ancient ruins, vibrant cities to picturesque towns, this list has it all. Buckle up and get ready to discover the magic of Mexico. Number 12. Chiapas. Enter the heart of Mexico's southern region and discover a land of untamed jungles, soaring mountain ranges, and a rich tapestry of cultures that has stood the test of time. Chiapas. Here, the indigenous peoples have inhabited the land for thousands of years, protecting and preserving their age-old traditions and customs that are as vibrant today as they were in the past. The jungles are alive with secrets, and Chiapas is a treasure trove of archaeological sites, where magnificent Mayan ruins are nestled deep in the jungle's embrace, waiting to be explored by those brave enough to venture into their depths. Chiapas is also home to natural wonders that will leave you spellbound. From the awe-inspiring Shumidero Canyon, carved out by the mighty Grijalva River, to the Montes Azules Biosphere Reserve, where jaguars and tapirs roam freely. Number 11. Merida. Merida is a beautiful colonial city located in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Visitors to Merida can explore the many historical sites and landmarks, including the stunning 16th century Cathedral of San Ildefonso, the Mayan World Museum of Merida, and the iconic Paseo de Montejo, a boulevard lined with beautifully preserved mansions that showcase the city's Spanish colonial history. Merida is also home to several markets, where visitors can shop for handmade crafts and sample traditional Yucatecan dishes, such as cochinita pibil, a delicious slow-roasted pork dish, and sopa de lima, a refreshing soup made with lime and chicken. Number 10. Playa del Carmen. Enter a world of wonder and adventure in the heart of the Caribbean Sea, where the crystal-clear waters lap against the shore of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Soak up the sun's warmth on the pristine beaches. Dive into the depths of the sea for an unforgettable snorkeling or scuba diving adventure, or indulge in a shopping spree along the bustling Quinta Avenida. But the adventure doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The town's nightlife scene comes alive with the sound of music and the buzz of excitement as clubs and bars lining the streets beckon visitors to experience the vibrant energy of Playa del Carmen after dark. Number 9. Oaxaca. In the heart of southwestern Mexico lies a city that is steeped in history, culture, and beauty. Wander the charming cobblestone streets of the downtown area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where colonial-era buildings tower above you and every corner reveals a new surprise. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant art galleries, where galleries and museums showcase the region's indigenous culture and traditions. Venture beyond the city's limits, where stunning natural beauty awaits. From the rugged terrain of nearby Monte Albán ruins to the tranquil beauty of birdwatching and hiking in the surrounding areas. Number 8. Puerto Vallarta. Tucked away on the Pacific coast of Jalisco, Mexico, lies the breathtaking city of Puerto Vallarta. This captivating coastal gem boasts a picturesque landscape, rich cultural heritage, and an unmistakable warmth that instantly invites visitors to explore its endless charms. The city's stunning beaches, with their crystal-clear blue waters, beckon to those seeking relaxation or adventure. Historic and cultural sites, such as the iconic Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe, the Naval Museum, and the Rio Quale Island Cultural Center, are must-see attractions. And for those looking to soak up the vibrant energy of Puerto Vallarta, the Malecón Boardwalk is a hub of activity, boasting a colorful array of shops, restaurants, and bars that create a lively and energetic atmosphere. Number 7. Tulum. Nestled on the edge of a vibrant jungle and the turquoise Caribbean Sea lies a breathtaking destination like no other, Tulum. This small coastal town in Mexico boasts magnificent white sand beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting visitors to bask in the warmth of the sun and dive into crystal-clear waters that shimmer with a hypnotic turquoise hue. This can be done at the numerous sustainable resorts and hotels. But that's not all. Tulum is also steeped in a rich cultural history that dates back to ancient Mayan times. With towering ruins perched atop a dramatic cliff overlooking the sea. Visitors can explore the awe-inspiring Tulum archaeological site, where the echoes of the past still linger in the air. Number 6. San Miguel de Allende. Amidst the central highlands of Mexico lies a city that has stood the test of time and still exudes its old-world charm, San Miguel de Allende. The streets, paved with cobblestones, wind their way around colorful colonial buildings that have witnessed centuries of Mexican history. The crown jewel of the city, the Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel, stands tall and proud in the main center. A stunning Gothic-style church that leaves visitors in awe. Visitors to San Miguel de Allende can explore nearby natural reserves and hot springs, such as the Cañada de la Virgen archaeological site, where they can discover pre-Columbian ruins and ancient petroglyphs. Number 5. Cancun. Prepare to be whisked away to paradise as we take you on a journey to Cancun, a city located on the Yucatan Peninsula in the southeast of Mexico. With its breathtaking white sand beaches and crystal-clear turquoise waters, Cancun is the epitome of a world-renowned vacation destination. Here, you will discover a city offering a diverse range of attractions, from luxurious resorts and high-end shopping centers to fine dining restaurants and a vibrant nightlife scene. In the beachfront area known as the Hotel Zona, visitors can soak up the sun and indulge in a variety of exhilarating water sports, including parasailing, jet skiing, and snorkeling. Dive deeper into the beauty of Cancun by exploring the Cancun Underwater Museum, where over 500 life-sized sculptures submerged in the ocean create a unique and mesmerizing underwater art exhibition. The nearby ancient Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza provide a glimpse into Mexico's rich cultural history, while Isla Mujeres, a small island located just off the coast, offers visitors a chance to explore the island's stunning beaches and local culture. Number 4. Copper Canyon. The Copper Canyon is a natural wonder located in the heart of northern Mexico. As you gaze out into the canyon's vast expanse, you'll feel small in comparison to the towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and rugged terrain that stretches out as far as the eye can see. The canyon's 6 interconnecting valleys offer a glimpse into a world that seems untouched by time. Home to a diverse range of wildlife and plant species that thrive in this remote wilderness. The Chihuahua-El Pacifico Railway, known as one of the world's most scenic train rides, takes you on a thrilling journey through the canyon's stunning landscapes, passing remote villages that seem to cling to the canyon's steep cliffs. For the adventurous, hiking, camping, and horseback riding tours provide the perfect opportunity to explore the canyon's hidden treasures, including the majestic Cusarere and Basasiachi waterfalls. But perhaps the most captivating aspect of the Copper Canyon is the Tarahumara people, an indigenous group that has called this rugged canyon home for over 1,000 years. Number 3. Cozumel. Cozumel, a hidden gem in the Caribbean Sea, is a captivating paradise just waiting to be explored. Its azure waters beckon to adventurers and thrill-seekers alike, promising to reveal the mysteries of the deep. The island boasts an abundance of colorful coral reefs, marine life, and spectacular beaches, making it a mecca for diving and snorkeling enthusiasts from around the world. For the nature lovers, Cozumel's ecological reserves and national parks are a must-visit, with the Punta Sur Eco Beach Park being a standout highlight. Here, visitors can witness the island's incredible biodiversity firsthand and even spot the elusive crocodiles that call the reserve home. Cozumel's lively downtown area is also a draw, with its shops, restaurants, and bars providing a taste of authentic Mexican cuisine and drinks, such as margaritas and tequila. Number 2. Mexico City. As the beating capital of Mexico, Mexico City is a metropolis that never sleeps. This sprawling city boasts an electrifying mix of old and new, with towering skyscrapers rubbing shoulders with ancient ruins and vibrant street markets. The Zócalo, the city's historic center, is a dizzying spectacle of ornate colonial architecture and fascinating museums, including the world-renowned National Museum of Anthropology. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of Mexico, from the ancient Aztec civilization to the vibrant modern art scene. And when it comes to food, Mexico City is a foodie's paradise, with mouth-watering street food and Michelin-starred restaurants serving up a tantalizing blend of traditional and contemporary Mexican cuisine. The city's nightlife is equally legendary, with vibrant bars, clubs, and live music venues pumping out everything from sultry salsa to pumping electronic beats. But amidst the chaos and excitement of the city, there are still pockets of tranquility to be found. From the serene Bosque de Chapultepec to the majestic Teotihuacan pyramids just a short drive away. Number 1. Cabo San Lucas. Behold the enchanting Cabo San Lucas, a coastal city that sits on the tip of Baja California Peninsula in Mexico. This city is a true treasure of nature, boasting turquoise waters that meet sandy beaches and rugged rock formations that invite adventure seekers. The iconic El Arco de Cabo San Lucas is a natural rock arch that stands tall and proud over the ocean, offering visitors a breathtaking vista of the surrounding landscape. Cabo San Lucas is also home to world-renowned golf courses that offer challenging courses and jaw-dropping ocean views. In the city's Golden Zone, the downtown area, there's no shortage of excitement with an array of restaurants, bars, and shops offering a unique blend of local and international flavors.